Hi friends, welcome back.
Hi, I am Toto. I am at a big construction site today. Are you ready?
Here comes an excavator. It has a long arm to dig soil from the ground.
Dig, dig, dig. The excavator is so strong.
Look, a dump truck. It carries sand, dirt and rocks.
Swash! Here comes a bulldozer. It pushes soil and rocks out of the way.
Push, push.
Go, bulldozer, go.
This is a crane truck. It lifts heavy things high up.
Wow, it's lifting the big block. Up.
Here comes a cement mixing truck. It mixes cement to build roads and houses.
Spin, spin, spin. The cement is mixing inside.
This is a road roller. It flats the roads to make it smooth.
Roll, roll, roll. Now the road is flat now. Look, a backhoe loader. It can dig from the back and pull from the front. Two arms. Wow, it's working hard.
Here comes a forklift. It lifts heavy boxes and moves them around.
Lift it up and move it there. Yes.
This is a skid steer loader. It's small but super strong.